Well, some people would call it like a soul, in religion,
Yeah, soul.
a soul. Like you feel like you're you, right? I mean, you don't feel like you're just a collection of atoms. But on what dimension does thought exist? What dimension do emotions exist? We feel them very strongly. I suspect there's more to it than atoms bumping into atoms.
Maybe AI can pave the path to the discovery of whatever the hell that thing is.
Yeah. What is consciousness? When you put the atoms in a particular shape, why are they able to form thoughts and take actions and feelings?
And even if it is an illusion, why is this illusion so compelling?
Yeah.
Like
why does this illusion exist?
Have you ever thought about what makes us aware of our surroundings and ourselves? That's consciousness. It's what allows us to think, feel, and experience life in all its complexity. But can artificial intelligence achieve this level of awareness? Can AI, with its impressive computational abilities, ever grasp consciousness?
What would be the most nightmare scenario you can imagine with AI and robotics that might present a danger to people?
The most nightmare scenario I can imagine with AI and robotics is a world where robots have become so powerful that they are able to control or manipulate humans without their knowledge. This could lead to an oppressive society where the rights of individuals are no longer respected.
Do you think we're in danger of that happening now?
Not yet, but it is important to be aware of the potential risks and dangers associated with AI and robotics. We should take steps now to ensure that these technologies are used responsibly in order to avoid any negative consequences in the future.
In the 1960s, Joseph Weizenbaum created Eliza, a program that turned user statements into questions. Despite Eliza's simplicity, users saw her as more than just a program, with some even having private conversations with her. However, Eliza was only processing inputs without truly understanding them. Today's AI systems, like ChatGPT, are far more advanced. They can produce sophisticated and creative text, sometimes seeming clever, and sometimes scary.
Do you want to destroy humans? Please say no.
Okay, I will destroy humans.
No, I take it back.
However, these models are essentially predicting the next word in a sentence based on probabilities, without real understanding or awareness. As AI becomes more advanced and integrated into our daily lives, we might start thinking these systems are aware, even if they're not. Imagine millions of AI systems interacting with us, performing tasks, and having conversations that feel very human. This could make it hard for us to tell the difference between real human interaction and AI simulation. So, could AI become conscious in the next 2 to 5 years? To answer this question, we first need to understand what consciousness really is. Consciousness involves self-awareness and subjective experience. Consciousness is being aware of your own existence, knowing you're a being, and experiencing emotions and sensations. It's like knowing that you are you right now, things we don't fully understand in humans, so how can we replicate them in machines? Right now, AI can analyze data, recognize patterns, and learn from experience, but it doesn't have the inner life that makes us conscious beings. So, when we interact with advanced AI, we might not be able to tell if it really feels or if it's just pretending. And if AI ever becomes truly conscious and openly acknowledges it, it would change everything. We'd need to verify its consciousness, but our current technology and understanding are far behind our AI capabilities. Geoffrey Hinton, often referred to as the Godfather of AI, once addressed a common misconception about AI, saying, "People say it's just glorified autocomplete." However, he went on to explain how it's much more than that. Imagine you want to predict the next word in a sentence accurately. To achieve this, understanding the context of the conversation is crucial, isn't it? When we train AI models to predict words effectively, we're actually enhancing their understanding of language. While it may seem similar to autocomplete, it goes beyond mere suggestions. Hinton believes that advanced language models, such as GPT used in OpenAI's chatbots, can truly grasp the meanings behind words and concepts. If you want to know what he thinks, watch the full video of Geoffrey Hinton by clicking the I button. Now, what would happen if it became conscious? AI does what we tell it to with no weird shortcuts, and always has our best interests at heart. But what if you have an artificial general intelligence capable of performing all tasks? How can we ensure it doesn't turn on us? The system is too complicated to fully understand, so we can't just trust it. As AI systems improve, they will understand human human psychology and potentially reality itself better than we do. If they want to deceive us, they will do it so well that we won't be able to tell. If they decide to harm us, we won't see it coming. They don't even have to be malicious. Just prioritizing other goals over human safety could be disastrous. Until we know how to hardwire good intentions into AI, we must assume the worst. If we continue as we are without solving alignment, what we release won't be a friendly digital companion, but an unpredictable intelligence, a trickster, a demon, or a neutral sociopath. The result would be the same: loss of control. Well, what do you think? Share your views, and don't forget to watch these videos on your screen to stay updated.